Media City UK. That's the BBC TV channel and the ITV TV channel. That's the building, another building of the BBC. The Imperial War Museum. It's free entrance. The Lorry Cinema, and the building over there, the Quayside, that's where the designer outlet, the Nando's, the restaurant, and the river. You can ride a boat here to roam around the whole Media City. And here is the tram station to Manchester City, Aston, Etihad, and many more. Media City UK.